Hello, Class 4-3, Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson in Period 1. It is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. We are in our textbook today, and we are starting our unit on fables. Thankfully, we have plenty of practice. Today, I'm going to look at page 241 first. Fables. What can you learn from a crow? Plenty in a fable. A fable is a short story that teaches a lesson. The characters are usually animals who act and talk like people. Fables often end with a moral or statement that tells the lesson. We all know this already, right, students? See what you learn in the following fables. These are going to be the 5 fables that we read in this little mini unit. First, we are going to read The Hare and the Tortoise. Next, we are going to read The Crow and the Pitcher. After that, The Grasshopper and the Ants. Next is Belling the Cat. And the final one is called The Fly on the Wagon. Let's start with The Hare and the Tortoise. The Hare and the Tortoise. Here's a picture of the two of them. This is a well-known fable that I think all of you know. The Hare and the Tortoise. The hare teased the tortoise about being so pokey. I get where I'm going as surely as you do, said the tortoise. But I get where I'm going faster, said the hare. The fox suggested they run a race to settle the argument. The hare laughed so hard at the idea that it made the tortoise angry. I'll race you and I'll win, the tortoise said. The race had hardly begun before the speedy hare was out of sight. The hare was so sure of himself that he lay down by the side of the path to take a short nap. The tortoise kept plodding slowly along. The hare woke up just in time to see the tortoise cross the finish line and win the race. Oh my goodness, and what do we learn from this particular fable, students? Slow and steady wins the race. It's a very important lesson, students. Here's how I would like you to answer this question. I'm going to write out my title, and you can use the notebook paper that I've attached, or you can use your classroom notebook if you have your classroom notebook at home, okay? I always keep an extra notebook at home with me. So my title is The Hare and the Tortoise. Now, I'm going to write the moral down. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay? Now, I want you to answer a few questions. Question 1. Why is this an important lesson to learn and remember. Next, what was the hare's biggest mistake in this fable? After that, I would like you to answer this question. Why do you think the tortoise was so angry at the hare? I want you to answer each question in 2 sentences. I'm going to put a star right here. Answer each question in 2 complete sentences. Okay? Now, think about how important this fable is. Think about how important this moral is. Now, you can use notebook paper to print this out, or you can also use the contact form. If you use the contact form and type your answers in, they will go to my email immediately, and then I can check your work even faster that way. Okay? Remember, if you have any questions, to please email me. Stay safe and stay healthy. If you need to read the fable again as many times as possible, that would be very good. Okay? And take care and have a great day studying. Talk to you all very soon. Remember, answer each question in 2 complete sentences. And I don't want any 3-word sentences either. Okay? The hare was too confident. You can write more than that. Okay? The hare was too confident because he thought just because he could run fast that the tortoise could never catch him. Right? Nice long sentences. Take care and talk to you very soon. Bye-bye now.